Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into MySpace account on your Android device. If you want to log into your MySpace account using the application on your Android device, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your MySpace application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've landed in the login area. Simply go ahead and type in your email address in the first text field that you can see. Once you type in your credential correct, head over to the next field and type in your password for your account. If you'd like to get access to your account right away without any kind of problem, make sure to type in your password correct as well. If you want the system to remember you so that next time you try to log in with this particular device, you won't have to type in your credentials, then you can tap on Keep Me Signed In box right beneath the password box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, then leave this box unchecked before logging into your account. Finally, after entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, tap on the Login button. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your MySpace account using the application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.